Hi, Jimmy the Bear. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's Christmas time. Are you excited to celebrate with your friends and family? In this video, we're going to learn about some fun traditions and activities that you can enjoy during the holiday season. First, let's talk about decorating the Christmas tree. This is a fun activity that many families do together. You can hang ornaments, lights, and other decorations on the tree to make it look beautiful. Next, let's talk about gift giving. On Christmas Day, many people exchange presents with their loved ones. You can make your own gifts or shop for special presents to give to your family and friends. Another fun tradition is singing Christmas carols. These are special songs that are sung during the holiday season. You can sing along with your family and friends, or even perform them at a school concert or church service. There are also lots of special foods and drinks that are enjoyed during the holiday season. You might help your parents bake cookies or try some traditional dishes from different cultures. Most importantly, Christmas is a time for giving and helping others. You can donate toys or clothes to those in need, or volunteer your time to help out at a local shelter. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season and that you get to enjoy all of these fun traditions and activities with your loved ones. Merry Christmas!